Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year, the DJI Flip. Mark your calendars, because January 14, 2025, is set to redefine compact drone technology with this revolutionary launch. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just getting started, the DJI Flip promises to be a game changer. Let's explore its design, features, performance, and more to see if this is the right drone for you. Revolutionary design of the DJI Flip. The DJI Flip stands apart from its predecessors with a bold new design. Moving away from the typical aesthetics of DJI's mini-series, the Flip introduces a top-loading battery system secured by dual-release buttons. This innovation not only makes swapping batteries quick and hassle-free but also emphasizes portability. Foldable arms further enhance its compact profile, making it a perfect travel companion. Safety has been a major focus, as evidenced by the fully enclosed, duct propellers. These additions not only ensure safer operation in tight spaces but also significantly reduce noise, making the Flip ideal for urban explorers and aerial photographers working in close quarters. Enhanced safety features. Safety is where the DJI Flip truly shines. It features an advanced obstacle avoidance system powered by a LiDAR sensor array, a technology borrowed from DJI's high-end models like the Air 3S. This system ensures precise navigation, even in challenging environments, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The fully enclosed propellers provide an added layer of security, especially for indoor flights or confined spaces. These features make the Flip one of the safest drones in its class, setting a new benchmark for consumer drones. Impressive imaging capabilities. At the heart of the DJI Flip is a powerful 48MP camera featuring a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Capable of shooting 4K HDR video at 100 frames per second, this camera ensures stunning, professional-grade visuals. With an 82.1-degree field of view and a 4x digital zoom, it caters to wide-angle shots and close-ups alike. Support for DNG and RAW formats makes it an excellent choice for hobbyists and semi-professional creators. The camera's capabilities rival those found in higher-tier models, offering unparalleled imaging quality in a compact, user-friendly package. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or intricate details, the Flip has you covered. Performance and flight dynamics. The DJI Flip is not just about looks and safety. It's designed for performance. Its 3,100 mAh battery delivers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a hover time of 28 minutes. This outpaces competitors like the Mini 4 Pro and Neo, making it a reliable choice for extended flight sessions. With a top speed of 16 meters per second and a range of up to 14 kilometers, the Flip is built for exploration. Its wind resistance of up to 10.7 meters per second ensures stable performance in challenging weather conditions, giving creators the confidence to capture footage anytime, anywhere. Seamless connectivity and control. Connectivity is another area where the DJI Flip excels. The O4 video transmission system guarantees stable, long-distance connectivity, enhancing reliability during flights. The drone supports Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring seamless data transfer and communication. Storage options include a microSD card slot and 2 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth operations and ample space for high-resolution footage. This means you can focus on your creative pursuits without worrying about technical hiccups. The Flip comes with flexible controller options. The standard package includes the RC-N3 controller, while the Fly More combo adds the RC2 controller and additional accessories. With 120 milliseconds low latency, the controllers provide a responsive and enjoyable piloting experience, catering to both casual and advanced users. Pricing and market position. The DJI Flip is priced competitively, starting at $439, which includes the RC-N3 controller. This places it between entry-level models like the Neo and premium options such as the Avatar 2. For those seeking additional value, the Fly More combo includes extra batteries and upgraded accessories, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts looking to maximize their experience. The future of DJI's mini-series. The launch of the DJI Flip signals a potential shift in DJI's strategy. While the mini-series has long been a cornerstone of DJI's consumer lineup, the Flip's advanced features suggest a move toward a new era of compact drones. Innovations like LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance and fully enclosed propellers highlight DJI's commitment to pushing boundaries. This evolution reflects broader trends in the drone market, where safety, versatility, and advanced imaging capabilities are becoming increasingly important. The DJI Flip addresses these demands comprehensively, positioning itself as a versatile and forward-thinking choice. A glimpse into the future of drones. The DJI Flip is more than just a drone. It's a glimpse into the future of compact aerial technology. Its combination of extended flight time, cutting-edge imaging capabilities, and innovative safety features sets a new benchmark for the category. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer or an experienced pilot seeking a portable yet powerful tool, the Flip bridges the gap between entry-level and premium models. It caters to diverse needs, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of users. Final thoughts. The DJI Flip's official launch on January 14, 2025, marks a significant milestone in drone innovation. With its groundbreaking features and thoughtful design, the Flip is poised to redefine expectations for compact drones. From capturing cinematic visuals to enjoying extended flight sessions, the Flip promises an unparalleled experience for enthusiasts at all levels. So, what are your thoughts on the DJI Flip? Do you see it replacing the Neo or Mini series in your lineup? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Techno Trend Zone.